up, guys? Today we're gonna troll some kids with the sound with the tornado. So this is the. I'll put the idea at the very end of the video. Oh damn. So, oh my. Well, let's find our first victim. Alright, so So let's get out, bro. P Diddy again, get the freak out of here. Wow. Let's still find our first victim. And I think I found her first victim. Hey, don't close the garage on me. Don't close the garage on me. Don't close the garage on me. What the heck is he doing? What the hell? Oh my god, no way.
Western Granville County.
I think he didn't
Central Wake County until 6:45 p.m. At 6:10 p.m., National Weather Service stopped radar indicated a tornado over Sly, 8 miles northeast of Hillsborough, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. In excess of 70 miles per hour, most likely with this storm.
I just say I'm donuts.
This includes Interstate 8.
I'm a donut car. Okay, he ignores.
Interstate 540 between.
Oh.
This includes.
Let's find someone else. Okay, we found a second one. Tornado warning! Tornado warning! Tornado warning!
The National Weather Service in Raleigh.
Tornado warning! I think he's carrying. He got out the car. He got out the van.
North Central Wake County until 6:45
He's a dumbass.
At 6:10 p.m.
Not gonna lie, he's a freaking dumbass. Who got out the car and got in.
25 miles per hour.
Hey,
Destructive winds in excess of 70 miles.
come back here.
Also likely with this storm. Locations
Okay, never mind.
include Bahama, Durham, Gorman. This includes
Did you just hear
between exits 170 and 184. This includes Interstate 540 between.
Did he just hear the fire alarm? Nah, heck, nah, that was not a glass. That was not glass, by the way. Bro. Hey, come back. Tornado warning. Tornado warning. Oh my car gets bro. What? Okay, so oh my, I need to fix the screen. Okay, there I see it. Hey. Wait, where did bro go? Nah. What the where did he go? Okay, we found another victim. I guess he ignored me. There's a lot of victims here. Not even
The
one.
National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a tornado warning for Durham County, southwestern Granville County, northeastern Orange County, north central Wake County until 6:45 p.m. At 6:10 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a tornado over Sly, 8 miles northeast of Hillsborough, moving southeast likely with this storm. Locations impacted include Bahama, Gorman. This includes Interstate 85 between exits 170 and 184. This includes Interstate 540 between exits 2 and 11. This includes the Durham Freeway between exits 6 and 16. Heavy rainfall may hide this tornado, making it difficult to see. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Please report severe weather to the nearest law enforcement agency and ask them to relay your report to the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Raleigh. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Durham, Granville, Orange, and Wake.
My dream is to hit 1,000 subscribers, and that's all I want to say, and hope y'all have a great day, and peace.